Definitely the best chase day of the year. Bar none. This day was phenomenal and a day you would call a career day. Gotta preface this with the fact that I thought nothing was going to happen this day. Thought it was going to be completely ruined because a really common theme in the Midwest tornado setups is warm fronts and morning convection. You'll get tornadoes, but you'll have morning convection, always. You'll always have morning convection. And the reason the Midwest doesn't have more tornado days is because morning convection. Like a Midwest fashion, we had a morning complex roll through. But it was a little different this time. What happened is we already had a sagging southward cold front stalled boundary. And what happened was, instead of this boundary surging south, it actually stalled and became reinforced. So it was already a weakening boundary, but after the passage of these morning storms, it reinforced the boundary, meaning it was not going to go anywhere, and it was now a permanent wind shift boundary. That was not only a temperature grade, but instability grade, but a wind shift as well. So basically everything you're looking for a very productive tornado boundary. Woke up that morning and found out that those storms were not going to ruin the environment, and that you had 4,500K building into your stalled boundary with a perfect looking atmospheric profile. And I remember saying to my chase partner, Mark, that we're probably going to see something significant today, and I wouldn't be surprised that there was a significant tornado as well, meaning like an EF2 or EF3 tornado. So we decided we were going to meet up. He also had a sudden realization that we were all going to go, that we needed to go chase this day, and so we met up in Marshalltown, Iowa. I picked him up, and we drove back to Ames to head back towards the boundary.
Oh yeah, I see that.
This thing's trying to come back right here. We waited for a while, just this super volatile looking environment, and just standing outside, it felt unstable, it looked unstable, and you just had this really interesting feeling of like something cool is gonna happen. Oh, look at this thing materialize. Yeah, she got going fast. Let me zoom in for you.
Oh, that looks really good. Oh. That looks like a...
Oh, looking at this guy too.
This honestly looks like, on radar, that looks like 20 minutes away from tornado production,
oh, yeah.
Honestly.
And looking at this, like you can see that nice left curved edge. Turns out the ones that formed up near us, which looked really good and were rotating, were just north of the boundary, or along it, and struggling to root. But then looking on radar, you see the one in the back, near Stanhope, Iowa, started to get rooted and rocking and rolling from the start. It went from nothing to a supercell within minutes. So we knew we needed to go. And within 10 minutes of the storm being alive on radar, it went tornado warned. Just absurdly fast. So we hauled down 35 to get to our exit and then flew towards Stanhope as quick as we could.
We got twins, dude. Oh, look at the ghost tube.
Cone tornado on the ground north of Stanhope, Iowa. Oh, look at that thing move. Oh, look, you're gonna get a new circulation out in front. Let's get farther down. Let's get farther down. Let's get in front of this thing. We're gonna get another tornado out of this thing. New mezzo though. That thing
my gosh, it won't die.
Oh, here comes new vortice.
Yeah, there's the second one.
And I remember thinking, this thing's gonna try to produce a second tornado. We gotta get in position for this. So we shot out, got to a nice paved road that took us straight towards the storm, and drove as quickly as the speed limit would allow us. Got up out in front of it and got to watch a pretty rare sight to behold.
Yeah, it's gonna go literally in front of us. We can sit right here. Yep.
Is this a road? There's a road right here.
Yeah.
We're gonna get out on this road. All right.
Oh my gosh.
Look at that vortice dance.
Bean field right here.
Oh my.
Is it gonna go north of us? Is it gonna go north of us?
Yeah.
Holy crap, we got 2 tornadoes. Satellite and a new one.
Get stills, Hunter. I got video.
Got it.
Oh my gosh. Look at how fast it's spinning.
That thing is moving. Look at the cape. Look at the cape.
And there's the second one.
Ah, so there's a tornado. Just stay on this road. Don't go north.
Oh my gosh. Oh, dude, look how fast it's spinning. Oh, the vortices. Oh my gosh.
Here's your stick goes too wide. Thank you. We're gonna sit right on top of this hill. Yep, go for it. Right here. You can hear it. You can hear it.
Oh my gosh, it's so loud.
Look at the cinnamon bun. Okay, see that dirt road right in front of us? We're gonna go straight, we're gonna follow the tornado. Got it?
God.
Okay, see that dirt road right in front of us? We're gonna go straight, we're gonna follow the tornado. Got it? Okay, get in.
It's gonna hit that farm. It's gonna hit the farm. Oh no, there it goes. There it goes.
Hey, stop here, stop here.
Yeah, we're going to.
Watch for debris. Don't get too close, Hunter. Don't get too close.
We're all right, we're all right. All right. Oh my gosh.
House is fine.
House is good?
House is okay.
All right, cool. We'll go on this dirt road here. It'll be right on your right.
The wind profile of the day in the photographs showed that storms are going to be very bullet-like. They were going to move rather quickly in a relatively straight direction and not too much deviance in their track. So we knew that if we planted behind them or next or alongside them, we wouldn't be in too much danger of the tornado wobbling and coming towards us. Fortunately, the tornado was pretty weak when it crossed over the farmstead, only producing maybe EF0, maybe very low end EF1 tornado damage, but did no damage to the farmstead, which we were happy to see. So we continued on with our storm chase because clearly this tornado had a lot more that was left in store for it.
Don't go into that.
By the way, that's
We got a view up here.
Oh my. Oh, she's strong.
Make sure it stays in focus.
Yep. I'm not watching the road, by the way.
Okay.
Oh man, thing's getting big. Look at that. Look at that upward suction.
We gotta stop here.
Yep. Whoa, that thing got vicious real quick. Why would you try to turn around right here? Come on. I'm gonna stop right here.
Yes, please. I need to get
Thing
out.
looks like Tipton.
I need to get out.
Yep, go for it. Guys, I'll let you film.
Hope your GoPro's running.
It is. Look for a north road. Oh, she's including. Look at her go. Get video.
Oh, okay.
Am I in your shot?
No, you're good.
Okay. Let me. New mezzo out in front. She's gonna do it again. Ooh, that smells nice.
I can't smell. Oh, look at the drill bit.
Oh, look at the vortice! Oh, look at that go!
There it crosses the road.
There she goes. Do we have an east option? There she goes. Do we have an east option? Yes, there's an east option right here. This thing keeps going. Oh, we've got debris falling on us.
Look at that thing go!
Lots of cars up here.
Yep, I see him.
Look at that thing go! Yep, I see him. This thing just
And at that time, the backside of the storm started to decay, and so letting more sunlight in. So then you had a situation of the tornado re-strengthening into this beautiful white tube, backlit from the sun, and it just grinding along soybean fields and cornfields. Just completely nothing for it to destroy. Just beautiful sight to see. One of the most photogenic tornadoes I have ever seen in the 11 years I've gone out chasing, in the 13 years I've been chasing. I started in 2009 and I've seen lots of tornadoes, and that by far ranks as one of the most beautiful tornadoes I have ever seen.
If he's gonna stop us,
Officer, please.
can I get out? Can
I'm
I get
begging
out?
you. No, because we're kind of creeping forward.
It continued on in the same field for probably another mile or two before eventually dissipating and falling apart. Again, not hitting much or anything at all besides just farm fields, and dissipated, and we decided we would let go of the storm for a little bit and get in position for another tornado.
Funnel on the right.
Yep. Yeah, it's coming down.
Okay. I'm actually just going to tweet as a tornado. Tornado forming just north of Marshalltown.
Forming, yeah, that's good. It's not on the ground yet, but yeah, that's coming way down.
Oh yeah, holy cow. Yeah. Okay, where does this road go? Ooh, this road goes east. Oh, for a while. Okay, we're great. We're good on this road then. Oh, look at the tube.
Yeah, that's pretty, man.
Elephant trunk. Actually.
Alright. Open out. Alright, let's move.
There it goes.
Look at how cold it is. that's all inflow.
Oh, also is that a tornado? There's a tornado. I'm going back outside.
No. There's a lot of spinning going on in there.
I just wonder if it's a little.
Yeah, probably. It's undercut to me.
Going back down the road a little bit more.
Yep. Stay ahead. Oh!
I saw it too.
Probably not even going to use any of this video after what we just saw.
Nope.
But this is pretty cool.
July 14th will probably be a day that we tell everybody about for a very long time. This was a career day. It's one of those days that you really like hang your hat on as one of the days that defined you as a storm chaser. And it was, sight to see for all those who were able to be there. Wonderfully, no one was killed that day from all the tornadoes that occurred. There were like 25 or 27 tornadoes that day in Iowa, which is one of the larger tornado outbreaks in the state in recorded history. So it was a really wonderful day to watch Mother Nature throw a tantrum.